Welcome back. In this video, we'll create an About page to introduce ourselves and share more about our work. Let's begin by creating the page. Click Create. We'll choose the blank template and name the page About. Our new page is completely empty, so let's start adding content. We click Add Section. In the template selector, we select Text 1. We double-click the text to edit it, add our own content, and click Done. Our changes are reflected immediately on the page. Now we'll continue building the layout. We'll add another section beneath this one. We click Add Section, and this time, under Text and Headings, we go to Image and choose the template Image with Margins. To add our own image, we click Edit Image, then Change Content, and upload an image. Next, we click Add Section again. Still under Text and Headings, we go to List and choose Horizontal List. We'll use this list to present our services and describe what we offer as a photographer. We double-click the list to edit each item. We update the title, remove the subtitle, and write our own description. We repeat this process for each service: editorial and fashion, portraits, and creative campaigns. Once that's set, we'll add another list-based section. We click Add Section, stay under List, and choose Clients 1. We double-click the title and rename it Selected Clients. Then, edit the list items just as before. Double-click the list, select each item, and update the content. Since 4 clients feel like enough for this section, we'll delete the last item. Finally, let's add a call to action. Click Add Section, go to Action, and choose Button 1. This button will redirect to a contact page that we'll create later on. And that completes the structure of our About page. In the next video, we'll style this page and take a deeper look at how styling elements work. Stay tuned.